Today, trigonometry exercise number 11.3 with solutions. This exercise before you learn by the some basic concept. What are they? Sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Secant of 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. You learn these 6 formulae, then easily understanding by the exercise number 11.3. First Roman, you observe it. Evaluate. First question. Sine of 36 degrees by cos of 54 degrees. How to solve? Sine, in the place of 36, you write 90 minus 54. So you don't confuse at all. Down only will be there 54. So 90 minus 54 by don't change this value. Cos of 54. That equal to. Now you observe the first formula. Sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Same manner. Sine of 90 minus 54. How to write? Cos of 54 by cos 54. Cos 54 get cancelled. Answer will be 1. How? Sin 90 minus theta formation. Answer is cos theta. So here theta means 54. So cos 54. Both cancel 1. Same manner. Second problem. Cos 12 minus sin 78. Same manner. Cos 12. How to will write 12? What is the complement angle of 12? 78. So 90 minus 78 minus sin 78. Now same. Second formula, cos of 90 minus theta equals sin theta. That's why cos of 90 minus theta. Here theta since 78. So how to will write? Sin 78 minus sin 78. Answer will be 0. Now third problem. Cosecant 31 minus secant 59 degrees. Same manner. Here cosecant 90 minus theta. Don't confuse it. Here cosecant is there. That's why you go to the cosecant formula. Cosecant 90 minus theta equals secant theta. Cosecant 31. How to will write? Cosecant of 90 minus 59. Here very important concept is complementary angles. Secant 59 as it is you write. Why I am writing 59 means complement angle of 31 is 59. That's why 90 minus 59. Cosecant 90 minus theta formation. Cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta. So secant of 59 minus secant 59. That equal to answer will be 0. This is the first Roman. Now come to the second Roman. Evaluate. First question. Tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 equal to 1. Sorry, not evaluate. Show that Now answer how to write. You take LHS. Tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. Tan 48. What is the complement angle of 48? 42. 90 minus 42. 16. What is the complement? 74. These two remainings don't change. Tan 42, tan 74. Now it is in the form of tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta equal cot theta. That's why tan of 90 minus 42. How to will write? Cot 42 into this value cot 74. This both tan reciprocal 1 by cot 42. Tan 74 cot 74. So cot 42 cot 42 cot 74 cot 74. All will be cancelled. Answer will be 1. Now second problem. Cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 equal to 0. Cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 equal to 0. Show that model. Now same concept. First you take LHS. Cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54, that equal to this cos 36. How to will write? Cos of 90 minus 54. This cos 54 you write cos of 90 minus 36 minus as it is. Don't change this step. Now cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. That's why cos of 90 minus theta. How to will write? Sin 54 into cos 90 minus 36. Same concept. Sin 36 minus sin 36 into sin 54. These both are same. Sin 54, sin 36. Sin 36, sin 54. Both will be same. Answer will be 0. This is the second Roman. Third question. If tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. How to solve? This tan 2a write into the cot terms. Then reverse you think it. Tan theta, tan theta, tan theta, tan theta. Since how to write cot of 90 minus theta. That's why this tan 2a how to write there means in the place of tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. This one will write cot of 90 minus 2a. Comparing to the previous problem, this will be reverse you write. Tan 2a, cot of 90 minus 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. Here cot, here also cot. Some of the members think as cot to cot cancel manner think it. That is the wrong notation. Don't cancel it. Just comparing the angles. Then 90 minus equal to a minus 18. 90 Thus minus 18 come to this side, plus 18, a minus 2a go other side, plus 2a. That meaning 90 plus 18, 108, 2a plus a, 3a. So what are the requirement? A equal to 108 by 3, that equal to 36 degrees. Therefore required angle A equal to 36 degrees. This is the third problem solution.